Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. In this video, we will going to learn about directives. Basically, we will learn about custom directives, means how to create custom directives for our own purpose. Okay, so directives are classes that add additional behavior to elements in Angular application. Okay, so there are lots of built-in directives we can manage from list, styles. Okay, so basically there are three types of directives, that is built-in directives, attribute directives and structural directives. So what is built-in directives? So it is the directive with a template. Okay, so this is the most common directives and the most used directives. So this is called built-in directives because we are getting these directives when we install our Angular application. Okay, so next is attribute directive. So what is this? So this type of directives is responsible to change the appearance or behavior of an element and component or another directives also. So basically it's using to change the behavior or appearance of any DOM element. Okay, and the last one is a structural directives, so that change the DOM layout by adding or removing some DOM element. So it can push or it can delete any DOM element with a structural directive. So basically it will affect the structure of the DOM. That's the reason it's called structural directives. Okay, so let's create a custom directives. Basically we will use for our own purpose. Okay, suppose I want to create a directives which will hide DOM element. Okay, so generally we need this kind of things very much. Suppose I want to create a project or application and somehow I need to hide some elements. So we need to create logic and we need to create the JS, or you can use jQuery, anything, but using our custom directives we can use these things anywhere in your application and it will be very easy thing. So let's try how we can achieve this. So to create directives we need to use ng for Angular application and g for generate and directive. Okay, so to create directive we need to use this directive and the name of the directives. Suppose I want to create a hide element directive, so I want to hide the DOM element with this. Okay, so let's use this hide element. Just enter this and we will get the two files, that is the directives ts file and the related spec, and we also got the updated, that is app.module.ts. so let's see what is updated. So just go to the Visual Studio Code and here you can see inside the src folder in the app we can see there is a hide element directive.ts, that is a TypeScript file, and we can see the app module.ts is also updated. So let's add something into the app component.html, that is the main component file of our Angular. Okay, so by default it will create when we create our Angular application. So Angular tutorial directives, so we are getting these things from app component.html file. So let's take some more headings. Suppose I want to use the h2 tag. Suppose I am writing suppose first heading, and in this way just write the second heading. Okay, so just write here second. Okay, so now if we just go to the browser we can see the Angular tutorial directives and first heading and second heading. So now I want to use some directives into this and we will hide the element using that directives. Okay, so for now it is not getting any changes. Now I want to add the logic into the directives. So just go to the hide element directives.ts, that is the TypeScript file. So basically we can see it is importing directives, and I want to import one more things, that is the element reference. Okay, so element ref. Okay, so now we need to use these things into our constructor. So right here, that is private, so you can use public also, but here I'm writing private property, and here write element, that is elem. I am creating short form, you can write anything, lm dot the element reference. Okay, and we will create the property. Suppose I am writing elem, that is object dot native element dot style, I want to change the style, and suppose I want to provide a color. For example, I want to show you some things. So for color, I am setting the color that is green. Okay, so now if we just apply these directives, so we can see in the green color, so the selector is app hide element. So very simple, just use this. So here I am applying this green inside the second heading, so just using these things. And if we just go to the browser, we can see, sorry, there is some errors. Okay, so there is error, so we need to use not dot, we need to use the colon here. And if we just go to the browser, we can see that is green. Okay, so I said you I want to hide some things, so let's use the property for hiding. So now just go to the editor and change the property. So just use here elem dot native element dot style dot display. So I will use the display, so I want to use the display is none. So if we now go to the browser and refresh this, we can see this heading will be hide, because we are using these directives inside this element. Okay, so just go to the browser, so we cannot see this. So in this way, if you want to hide any element, so in this way we can hide this. So now just go to the browser, we can see only this text. So if we just add this also, so we'll get nothing. So this is all about custom directive creation and small example how to use this. So if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. In our upcoming video, we're going to learn about Angular service. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.